Hey friends, imagine I tell you, after today, giving bank guarantees won't be as easy anymore. And if there's a foreign party involved, bhai log, RBI has totally changed the game. Relax, though if you're just doing business inside India for GST, tenders, RERA, or your regular stuff, normal bank guarantees are unchanged, no worries. But if you are a business owner dealing with foreign clients, an importer, an exporter, or a startup founder, then this update is a must watch. This new rule hits hard for anyone giving or taking guarantees in foreign currency or with foreign parties. Let's break down RBI's brand new foreign bank guarantee rules in super simple language. RBI has replaced all those old 2000 era FEMA notifications and circulars with the fresh Foreign Exchange Management Guarantee Regulations 2026. These kicked in from January 6, 2026. The first big change is introduction of a smart principal-based system. If a transaction is allowed under FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act, the guarantee is usually allowed too. No need for separate RBI permission. Think of it as RBI expanding the automatic approval route. Many foreign guarantees now get the green light automatically if you follow basic rules. Banks don't need prior RBI nod. Your deals speed up. Now the big change too is super strict reporting for banks on cross-border guarantees. Every quarter within 15 days of the end, banks must report every detail to RBI. Issuance, changes, claims, invocations, expiry, everything. They call the system GRN, Guarantee Reporting Number. And all these old, those trade credit guarantee reports, they are now gone after March 2026. For example, now your Indian company wants to import machinery from Germany. The German Exporters Bank demands a guarantee. Your Indian bank issues it to them. Now under new rule, the Indian bank reports it via Form GRN with full deal details. Wonder why RBI has gone that strict? It's for a simple reason: to control hidden risks and keep our Indian banking system safe. Hence, less risk and more transparency. Hope you all like this video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ravneet Knowledge Bites, where I tend to share short knowledge bite which gives you a powerful insight. Thank you.